Hello everyone. Happy December 27th. Today we celebrate fruitcake, cutting snowflakes, and the joy of crafty winter fun. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's National Fruitcake Day. A classic holiday treat with a colorful twist. A great gift could be a gourmet fruitcake, a holiday baking kit, or a festive dessert plate. Love it or leave it. Let's slice into the comments. It's Make Cut Out Snowflakes Day. A fun winter craft for all ages. A thoughtful gift could be a craft paper pack, a snowflake stencil set, or glitter glue. What's your favorite snowflake design? Let's craft the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. As the year winds down, the holiday season sparkles on with cozy crafts and sweet traditions. And finally, it's Visit the Zoo Day. A wonderful way to enjoy animals and nature. A sweet gift could be zoo tickets, an animal-themed calendar, or a wildlife donation. What's your favorite zoo animal? Let's roar in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering celebrations for January 26th to 31st. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.